Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll show you how to make it so you can see your own body in first person, so let's get into it. First of all, let's make it a first person lock. So you want to go to start GUI, add in a local script and copy the following: game::GetService players.LocalPlayer.CameraMode equals Enum.CameraMode.LockFirstPerson. This should work, so let's quickly press play. It should make us into first person. So as you can see, we're in first person and we can't get out. The mouse is there, so now you want to go to start player, click on the plus next to start character scripts, add in a local script and copy the following: local player equals game.Players.LocalPlayer, local character equals player.Character, local run service equals game::GetService RunService.RenderStepped equals vector3.new bracket 0, 0, -1 for I v.in-pairs bracket character : GetChildren do. If v : is a BasePart and v.Name v.Name equals head, then v : GetPropertyChangedSignal, LocalTransparencyModifier, connect function, v.LocalTransparencyModifier equals v.Transparency, just like that. Alright, then you want to do it again. v.LocalTransparencyModifier equals v.Transparency, just like so. RunService.RenderStepped connect function step, local Ray equals Ray.new bracket character.Head.Position, bracket character.Head.CFrame plus character.Head.CFrame.LookVector *2. Dash character.Head.Position, another bracket, Position.Unit bracket, local ignoreList equals character : GetChildren, local hit, pos equals game.Workspace : find parts on Ray with ignoreList, Ray, ignoreList. If hit, then character.Humanoid.CameraOffset equals vector3 char.New bracket 0, 0, dash character.Head.Position dash pos dot magnitude brackets else character.Humanoid.CameraOffset equals vector3 dot new bracket 0, 0, -1. That should work. So now if you press cross and we press play, we should be in first person and we'll be able to see our body. So if I look down, as you can see, we can see the arms, torso and the legs. So if you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If this doesn't work, then comment down below and the scripts will be in the description below. So yeah, thank you for watching, leave a like and sub.